The Jamaica Boxing Association is endorsing the move to promote boxing at Wintaz Park in Kitson Town, St. Catherine, with the aim being to produce another world champion in a 5-year span.
With one boxing promoter deciding to take the bull by the horn and try to revive the popularity of the sport locally, but especially in St. Catherine, General Secretary of the JBA, Leroy Brown, is of the view that with events like this one, another Jamaican can reach the pinnacle of the sport in short order.
We need world champions. We have had several so far, and nothing wrong with having another 2 or 3 in the very near future. So that is our aim, to encourage the sport, to make it grow, and to produce at least one more champion within the next 3 years.
Brown says while there is room for improvement, overall the first staging of the event went well.
And what we need are more people like Mr. Archer. He has the space and he has the will to make it work. And if we have a dozen Mr. Archers around Jamaica, then boxing will boom.
Meanwhile, DeMarcus Smith of Fit Like a Fighter Club was victorious in the main bout after his opponent, Ryan Posen of Sugar Boxing Gym, retired hurt after round 2.
My fight record is 5 wins, 0 loss. Tonight I make 6 wins. This fight was good, you know. In the first round I went out, I used my jab. Second round, used my jab. He came up with a gazelle hook and I catch him with a 2-3.
Owner of Wintaz Park, Michael Archer, is the promoter.
It's a blessing. It's a blessing being here tonight and with all the officials being here, boxers being here. The fight went extremely well. The audience was extremely good. It has been a wonderful night.
The plan is to stage another event later this month. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.